Good day everyone, and today you're welcome to Setro Craft channel. I'm Joke Setro and I always have my husband with me.
This is Dar Setro.
So you can see we are on green, white, green. What's happening? Nigeria usually celebrates our Independence Day on the 1st of October, and we are Nigerians, we are Nigerian-based YouTubers. So just to celebrate with our country, to felicitate with our country, we're going to be giving out 1 month free fashion class to all our subscribers on Setro's blog and on Setro Craft's blog and on Setro's blog.
I don't get that. We are simply offering a 1 month free fashion class to all our subscribers on Setro Craft channel and on Setro's blog. To benefit from this 1 month free fashion class training, all you just need to do is to send us a WhatsApp chat on the number being displayed below. And the code is simple. Hashtag
Nigerians Independence Fashion. Nigerians Independence Fashion. So this is also a shout out to all our youth corps members, our corporals that are serving in anywhere in Nigeria. You are entitled to have this fashion class for free. This is really great money on our website www.setrofashionschool.com. We have our different students across the globe. So we're just doing this out as Nigerians, celebrating our country, and we want you to be a part of it. So you just have to come on board, chat us on the line below.
Even if you are not a Nigerian and you still want to participate, it's free for you.
Yes.
1 month free fashion class. All you just need to do is to send us what we have just said. Hashtag what? Nigeria Independence Fashion.
On our WhatsApp chat
on
number.
Our WhatsApp chat number, yes please.
So
immediately you've done that, we'll send you the link, we'll guide you on how to go about it so that you can access our free fashion class. And I tell you, this is the batch 2, the last set that finished for the day. They had a very nice time with us. Please don't miss out on this.
So in case you've not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe for more of these freebies, and don't forget to like our videos, share and do well.
And please note that it is both male and female fashion. We are just here to do what? Celebrate Nigeria's independence with you.
Again. So to catch up with you next time in our next video, don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and also follow us on our blog channel, Setro Craft channel. Love you.
And also follow us on our Instagram.
Yes, Setro Fashion.
Setro Fashion. Instagram, Setro Fashion.
Thank you so very much. Bye-bye.
Let me blow this.